Multiplication with decimal numbers. So whenever we multiply decimal numbers, we are going to set up the one with the most digits on top. It makes it a lot easier. Sometimes they get the same amount of digits. And what do I mean by digits? We look at this one here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. I look at this one, there's 2. So I would put the one with the most digits on top. We do not line up the decimals in multiplication. So now I'm going to say, okay, 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 4 is 4. And 1 times 2 is 2. Now I'm going to scoot over to multiply the next one because the next one starts in the second column. That's what I need to do is make sure that's where I start. Now I got 5 times 2 is 10, carry the 1. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16, carry the 1. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 1 is 21, carry the 2. 5 times 10 is, 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12. Now let's line this up and add it up. I got 2 plus 0, 3 plus 0, 4 plus 6, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. Bring down the 2 and 1. Now I want to know what to do with the decimal. So I'm going to look at this one and I'm going to ask how many decimal places are there. There's 1, 2, 3. So there's 3 decimal places. This one here has 1 decimal place. Add them up. It's a total of 4. So we're going to move the decimal 4 places in that direction. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. So my answer is 12.4032. All right, let's do another one. Let's see. Oh, we got more down there. So let's do another one. Let's take this 3.4 times the 5.8. You notice they have the same amount of digits, so we might as well just start. It doesn't matter if you put 3.4 on top or not. One way to acknowledge that, 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. So this is why it doesn't matter about the order. It's just if it had more digits, I would put it on top. So now I'm going to say 8 times 4, that's 32. Carry the 3. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 3 is 27. I'm going to scoot over for the 5. 5 times 4 is 20. Carry the 2. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is 17. Add these up. And we get 2 plus 0, 7 plus 0, 2 plus 7, and 1. This one has 1 decimal place, and this one has 1 decimal place. Add it up. Move the decimal 1, 2. My answer is 19.72. Okay. So let's look here. This one here is just telling you about the multiplying by powers of 10. So if I multiply by powers of 10, I am multiplication period is growing, right? It's making it bigger. And if we multiply by powers of 10, 100, thousands, and so on, then we're going to move the decimal. We're going to move it to the right, however many places there are zeros. So when I multiply by 10, that's 1 0. So I'm going to go move it to 1 place. That gives me 28.11. This has 1, 2, 3, 0. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. So this is 8,049. I am multiplying by 100, which has 2 zeros. So I'm going to go 1, 2. So I got 4.6.